You're a simp if you're out here willing to do anything for your woman. You're a yamed if you're out here be willing to do anything for your man. However, follow me. However, if you're out here obsessed over a celebrity like damn sense, it is totally fine and acceptable. If you're out here obsessed over a celebrity like have no damn sense, someone who does not know you, someone that does not do anything for you, it is acceptable. How me see them and they behave over them favorite artists or them favorite footballer, how me see them when they behave over them favorite artists or them favorite actor. Una celebrity worship. And the funniest thing I see Christian them do it. And there's nothing wrong with it. You people are worshipping these celebrities. But again, we don't see nothing wrong with that. But yet if a man or a woman out here take care of them partner, when you quick to call them out on social media. Yo, but I know, maybe something wrong with me. Maybe I'm the problem, and if I'm the problem, make me know. But no, you don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious? You're out here willing to, some people out here willing to sell them house, land and car. Figure concert for this artists. But yet if them partner, them picnic come to them and ask them for something, them face bend up right away. When you're sick, when you need some help, it's like, I think some of them behave like addicts at this point. And you need divine intervention. But hey, that's just my thoughts. What are yours?